Motorola. This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 30 frames per second. We're in a wide angle lens. Vlogging style, if in a vlog smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. Vlogging. Alright. Main lens. Oh, it is windy, so I will have to cancel the wind noise in the post production. Oh, it's cold also. I thought it would be warm. Oh. Anyway, 2x, free. Apologize. I'm not sure what's going on, but when I'm touching the 3x, the app is closing. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 10, 10x, and 20x if you wanted to. Oh. Can you read the license plate? I don't think so. 5x, can you read the license plate? Maybe. Oh, but I can see we can switch lenses during the recording, then you can make such a smooth transition through the video, and that is great. Autofocus for the wide angle lens, is it available? It is. It is available. Look. See? For example, if you want to show something in macro mode, there you go. In close up, a lot of details. Alright, main lens also available. And again, the app just closed on me. 2x available and 3x available. Alright. There is autofocus on front facing camera, which is great. You cannot do macro with it, but yeah, it's great. Is it overexposing the sky? Yeah, it will overexpose the sky because it wants to brighten up my face. If I got out of the frame, you see how quick it is. Well, it's not terrible. We're shooting directly against the sun now. Okay, let me walk around a little bit. I think it's really good. Very wide and in 4K 30. What else do we have in the smartphone? Alright, so what do we have else? We have slow motion. If you wanted to. In full HD and HD. We do have video and dedicated macro mode. So with the macro, I mean, you could film very close to the subject. So close? I think that's the maximum. Of course, we do have wide angle with autofocus, which is also great. Okay, so what's the point of that macro? I'm not sure. It's all the same. We do have 1x, 2, 3. Woo, look at that switch. Really? I don't know what happened there. And 20x all the way. Alright? We have photo. And the photo, you can go 30x. But this is electronic zoom, so like, what's the point? We do have timer. And I've seen there's some filters here if you wanted to. If you want filters. Who's gonna use filters like that? I'm not sure. Pretty aggressive filters. But anyway, I like black and white. Portrait. For portrait, it is tracking me very nicely. You can have two different settings. Change the bokeh. Beauty mode is of course available. 16:9, 3:4, and 1:1. Pro version, and in the Pro we do have histogram. We can have RAW if we wanted to from the main lens. Also RAW. We have scan, so we can scan some signs, or whatever, scan something, like this one. See, it's catching. I'm not touching the screen. It's doing it by itself. Okay, come on, come on. Oh wow, that came out really good. Really good. I didn't expect to be so good. It's great. All right. Let's go back. In the more department, we do have dual capture. In the dual capture, you can shoot with the two cameras at the same time. Split screen, or you can move that screen whatever you like. There you go. Okay, this video is getting extremely boring. Let's move on to photos. And the selfie camera in portrait mode, the share of details is astonishing. Wow. Wow. But the main lens is all over the place. What does that mean? Oh yeah. Exactly. Well, color-wise. I mean, there's a lot of details. That's great. But color-wise, it's getting crazy. I have a cool photo somewhere around here. The fuck? Where's that photo? Dobra, weź nie napierdalaj tym motorem, kutasie. Look at that photo. This is supposed to be like that. White background, blue head, in focus. This is out of focus, but the color-wise is accurate. I take another picture just a second later, and we have a yellow background. Why? I didn't touch anything. I didn't put any filter in. That's crazy. I think that is weird. It is very weird. Sometimes it's oversaturating the image, and sometimes it's undersaturating the image. That pepper should be red, not like almost, I don't know, it's not red. I mean, it is, but it's undersaturated. Pikachu? Pikachu semi-okay. Semi-okay. Front-facing camera from the Pikachu. Pikachu is gone. All right, and the normal picture for the Pikachu. The share of details is okay, I guess. But I don't know. It all depends on something. I'm not sure what. There's a great details. It's not over-sharpening the image, but those colors are crazy. Maybe the next firmware will fix that. A firmware update. That's what I want. That's what I meant. I'll put a link in the description for you to download original photos at night. Ooh, it must be some kind of beauty mode. I'm not that handsome, my dear friend. Not that handsome. Well, okay, I guess. Okay. Okay, this smartphone is not great, at least with the latest firmware. They need to update this firmware because the camera app is closing on me all the time and it's very hard to record anything. Maybe I have a faulty one, I'm not sure. But in this price range, you could have something way better. Link in the description with additional discount code. Like OnePlus 12, which completely destroyed the smartphone in the camera department. Or maybe Xiaomi 14. You could buy Xiaomi 14 in the same price. Well, if the smartphone was half the price, then yeah, maybe but the still video quality is not that great. At least for now, with today firmware. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.